With its low seat and fat tires, the choppy Street Bob was born out of bobber fashion in the custom world, inspired by the post-war movement. However, the 2023 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 is user-friendly. First, it's lighter for a larger V-twin, and the upgraded power plant offers more excitement alongside road reliability. With mid-mounted foot controls, an upright riding position, a low two-seater seat, black steel-spoked wheels and a dark finish, this is the bike you've always wanted. Take his 2 seats in the front row for your next adventure. A Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission to produce 110 pound-feet of torque. So you can experience massive amounts of torque-on-demand performance. This is something you can feel in every twist that comes along with the familiar Harley-Davidson sound. The older Milwaukee-Eight 107 engine has been replaced with the more powerful Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine. This makes for a huge performance boost from 0 to 60. And the Street Bob 114 bike is ready to sprint when you hit the highway. The Street Bob 114's main frame uses the classic Softail line, providing a stiff and lightweight design for a responsive ride. With endless customization options, this Harley allows for a dizzying array of styles you've never felt before. With a relatively lightweight frame and minimal distractions, the Street Bob 114 could be the perfect first bike for beginners. This Street Bob looks great, is comfortable and rides well. If you're a beginner and think you can handle a fairly built Harley bike, this DSB of him might be faster, but it works well. It is made for you.